All right, guys, let's talk about insect damage in the lawn. We are now taking care of a brand new lawn here for us in Salt Lake doing the lawn fertilization. We noticed here you have a lot of insect damage. Here is a sure sign. I'm going to turn it around and have Pope explain to you what you can look for possible damage that's going to happen next year.
So what we're dealing with here is Sod Web Worm damage. You can kind of see how it's all yellow. Damage is all throughout the lawn. Easy indicator of Sod Web Worm is all these little holes that are in the lawn. They burrow down, they make a little web down in there, and they just chew across all the grass, and then they eat it all away. So number one thing you'll be able to see if you're mowing the lawn, and you see these long, little, skinny, kind of golden moths, just like this guy here in my hand. He's probably gonna fly away. They're little zigzaggers over the whole lawn. So if you're seeing those flying up when you're mowing the lawn, you got Sod Web Worm. Give us a call, we'll take care of it.
So these moths are actually the sod webworm that has now turned into a moth, and these things are going to lay eggs, which means they will be back next year. So because they are now adult and moths, they are probably not doing quite as much damage to the lawn anymore, but this means you are super likely to have it next year. So get on top of this. If you see these moths, let us know. We'd love to help you out.